Miss Munoz here, and I am going to go over some of these equations from the balancing nuclear equations assignment. So our first one is number 1, and we've got I've got the equation right here. And this is how we're going to use this paper to help spread out your work. So you're going to take this equation and put it in these boxes. And then you're going to put the top numbers up here where it says mass number. And you're going to put these bottom numbers down here where it says atomic number. And then you're going to figure this out like a puzzle. You're going to figure out what has to go in these blanks to make both sides be equal. So on the left here, this adds up to 15. So what would have to go in this blank to make the right side be 15? This would have to be a 1. And this left side adds up to 7. So you have to figure out what would go on the right to make this side add up to 7. And that would be a 1. So this is like a puzzle. What would this box have to be for the top and the bottom to be a 1? And you got a table here, and it looks like a 1 and a 1 would be an H. So you would go to your assignment, and in this box you would type an H and a 1 and a 1. All right, let's move on to number 2. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put CR, H, MN. We're going to put our mass numbers in, 54, 1, 54. Our atomic numbers, 24, 1, 25. This side adds up to 55. So to make this side add up to 55, this would be a 1. This side adds up to 25. To make this side add up to 25, this would be a 0. So over here we see to get 1 and 0, this would be an N. So in your assignment, you would do N, 1, and 0. We're going to do one more in this video. And we've got P. This one is blank, SI, and HE. We got 31, 28, and 4. And 15, 14, and 2. This adds up to 32. So to get this side to be 32, we'd need a 1. This adds up to 16. So to make this add up to 16, we'd need a 1, another 1 and 1, another H. All right, and that is how, so you would put H, 1, and 1. So that is how you would do the first 3.